Alright, so that's May 8th. So I moved some stuff around in my house, which that isn't really that important. I basically just moved my rig outside in the garage into my mining room or computer room, and then I moved one of my rigs, which is the one with the 570, which is this machine right here, in my room. And I put the 3080 Ti into here because the hash rate on the Windows was not great, so I decided maybe it's just Windows, and it was. So I was doing like 95 or so on T-Rex miner. Then NB miner just came out with 100% hash rate unlock, which did not expect that, and as you can tell, it's working. 119 mega hash, and I just set that up like 13 minutes ago, which that's nice. So that's basically all I did. And if you look at here, you can see how hot memory temps is. This is copper modded, by the way. Like on my, when this GPU was in my computer, it was doing around 90 degrees, and it had fans, you know, blowing it, actual airflow. But in that room, it doesn't. So this is actually pretty good. So yeah, that's basically it for May 8th. Well, from beginning to May. So yeah. Alright, so this is a little update. I really haven't been doing much in May whatsoever. So I decided to move all my CPUs to Monero Ocean and get Monero. And I'm planning to put that Monero into Flux, or more Flux coins. And hopefully one day have enough to make a Flux node, because that would be pretty nice. And yeah, that's just a quick update. And that's it. Alright, so I decided to buy this GT710 just to test other hardware and see if it's the GPU's going wrong or whatever for the future. It was cheap, so I was like, might as well get it. Get my cute little 710. I also got these long ago, which I completely forgot to record. So one of the R9 390s died, and I was testing it out, looking through it. Thinking about making a whole separate video about me trying to fix it, because it was my first time. So figure out what it was. A fuse broke or died. So that's the fuse. Wait, am I stupid? Okay, this is the fuse, and this is the memory controller. So gotta replace those two things. And yeah, it's good. Like these two are about to come in. This, I don't know what's going on there. So we'll see. That's gonna take forever because this is AliExpress. And finally, just updated this. So in May, do you know what I forgot to show? This. So they changed it to 0.2, so I haven't been paid ELF in 2 months apparently. So yeah, what's this, referral program? Interesting. So yeah, got 0.15 ELF. And after this 0.15, I get paid out. I'm considering going to RaveOS and use 2 miners and throw all my GPUs on this rig I have that uses a Pentium, and it's really old because RaveOS does not support CPU mining. And yeah, I just want to take all my GPUs, throw it on there, and just test it and see how it works. And I'll probably do that whenever whenever I get that GT710 that I showed. Maybe. I don't know. I'm considering that. And yeah, now finally let's get into the crypto income 2022. If you know, well, you probably know that, you know, prices fell down a lot. This is what I made in May. So I wasn't able to see exactly, I completely forgot to do my April one. Wait, no, this is AVM. Wait, no, I'm stupid. This is RTM. So I decided to do both of them and then divide it by 2, so these are just split evenly, but it's whatever. So RTM, this is all staking 1,481. Did not mine a single RTM or Raptorium. Ravencoin mining, this is for just my 1050 Ti and RX 570 which is actually pretty impressive for how much I'm mining. Because if I look at Raven Coin's difficulty, it's probably a lot lower. Sorry for typing slow. I am pretty tired. So let's go to here real quick. Yeah, it's been going down by a lot. So compared to January, which was here-ish. Yeah, that's crazy. Anyway. And this is Varus coin. I've been mining this coin and staking it at the same time. So, yeah. But now I'm mining XMR, which you probably expect to see something in June. And maybe in the future, who knows? We'll see. And some conversions. Crypto conversions. So, yeah. Didn't sell any crypto. That's all the crypto remains. Yep. Bad. If you ever want to look through that. If you look at the in-hand income. Wait, not in-hand. My bad. HODL income. So, in May, we only made 43 bucks, which isn't great at all. But then again, most of my GPU's 9F, and I haven't been paid out in like 2 months. This one made a lot. Well, actually, I did put a good chunk of cards in Ethereum Classic, if I remember correctly. So, yeah. Not the best month, but it is what it is. So, in-hand income made literally nothing. And, yeah. It's probably the lowest it'll ever be. But, we'll see. I'm actually really curious about that RaveOS thing. Because it just looks so much better. Anyway. Please like and subscribe. I know this really wasn't much this month, but it is what it is, bro.